Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods, and this time I have for you luxury chairs. When we talk about some different design, very unique designs or luxury furniture, the name Arson is a trademark and a brand name across the globe. We are working in more than 55 countries. We are supplying our products to more than 55 countries, and we are a registered trademark in 35 countries because we are working all over the globe. These chairs that you're looking here are again out of a catalog picture. I've explained this so many times already because this has been a major point. A lot of people, what they do is they go online and they see pictures and they think that picture is a real piece of furniture. Generally, what happens is, and these days it's very easy, you go to any AI portal that create images, you put some prompt and you get very nice pictures, very beautiful crafted pictures online. But these are real. I can sit on it. I'll show you from all sides, and I've earlier shown the raw images of this chair as well, raw feed. I'll display on the screen, and the work you can see here, the workmanship, the amazing artistic work. This is done by local artisans, in fact master artisans who know what they are doing. The artistic work, the drawing, the chiseling, carving, painting and the cushioning, everything is done by real people, the artisans, and nothing is AI or machine done in this one. Very small machines like cutting tools and chisels and hammers and some staple guns, these are used to make the unit completely. And I'll show you the unit. This is 36 inches left to right. The back height is 44 inches, front to back 32 inches, and the overall design. From this angle, you can see the beautifully crafted bird here, and the feather goes at the back and the neck, everything so beautifully defined. And again, the work of master artisans. It's in teak wood and teak gold paint. And when I sit on it, I'll sit again and I'll show you how comfortable and spacious the chair is. I'm sitting, I'll stretch myself as maximum as possible. And you can see the amazing handwork and the smoothness and the carving. I can sit very comfortably, and the overall look of the chair is none less than a Maharaja chair, a king's throne, or you can use it for your Guruji. It can be a Guruji Gaddi for satsang or for gifting purpose. This is one of a very good gift thing. If you want to give a gift to some official or someone really special, this would be a real nice gift. We have been showing you so many items online. I think we have more than 1400 videos on YouTube now, and so many items in different colors, designs, fabrics, sizes, the concepts and setups. Everything has been possible because people are loving our furniture, and not just India but across the globe, and that is why we are able to make such beautiful products for you. Everything that we do is as per client's choice. The size, you talk about the design, you want any changes in the design, like you want some more carving at the back on this portion, we can do that. You want to change the fabric, you can let us know which color you want, we'll provide you options. So everything, even the color of the unit, the antique gold, if you want gold leafing, if you want metallic gold or champagne gold or rose gold, any color you want, we can make that color and accordingly provide the chair. Home delivery globally at factory price. Factory price means the price that is the best price from the factory to your place, because we are making it, you are receiving it. So there is no trader, no commission agent, no shopkeeper, no one in the middle who is taking extra charge. We are in a small city and our expenses are less, and that's why the prices that we provide you are unbeatable across the globe. Designed in front of you, the workmanship you can see right here, and in more than 1400 videos on YouTube in different designs, sofa, dining sets, temples and swings and partition screens, wall paintings. So there's so much stuff we have, and on the website you have category for all these products. So whatever you want, check the website, let us know what you want in that, any changes you want. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement and make what you like. Thank you. Dhanyavad.